Hi everyone, this is a video about this electric screwdriver which has the rechargeable battery that you can charge it with a micro USB cable, and is just the name. If you want to search it on eBay, the name is Anykit, and if you want to go by the model number is TSD 200, and it has 3 LED at the tip, and that's the reason that I've bought it. And it has a charging light. When the battery is depleted, it's going to blink to let you know it's charging time, and when you are charging it is on, is blue light is on, and then when it's fully charged the light goes off. And these are the pieces that it comes with it. If you want, you can pause it and read it. And here it says quick change chock, and then forward and reverse, and then 150 plus RPM, and then auto lock. When you run out of battery, you can still use it as a screwdriver. LED light, and 350 milliamp lithium ion battery. And this is true because I took everything apart and it was 350 milliamp battery. So it has a cap at the top. If you uncap it, you can connect a charger in there, and the body is aluminium, and these are the reverse and the forward buttons, and this is the LED light and the tip, and it says 150. There is nothing written anywhere else. So I get everything on the table and we talk more. And I have to tell you that I took it apart and I left it apart for you to see what's going on. So I pause the video and I come back. So here is laid on the table, and it comes with a carry case like this, and this is the brand name Anykit, and is magnetic. You can connect, close and open it via these magnets, 4 magnets on each side, like so, and with 13 bits. That I think one of them is in here with 13 bits, and that's really it. Let's talk about and these are all magnets as well underneath them, in order to just keep them in place, but not no more magnets on the opposite side. So I put this aside and we talk about the unit itself. I purchased this, as I mentioned, is because it has LED light, but the quality is nothing like my Wow stick. And the reason that I bought this, it was for the LED light, and they sent me without one. So this Wow stick is of the highest quality, but it's very smooth. There are no grips, and this edge is a little bit sharp, and it takes 2 AAA batteries. And to add a little bit of grip, I just put this plastic round it in order to have a little bit more grip. And the noise of this, it's shouts quality, but the other one is not so much of quality. I took the battery out. I can put the battery in just to show you how it operates, and then we are going to talk as to how to open this. It's really difficult. Let me just, at the end, I'm going to put everything back together and we talk more. Anyhow, the way to get this out, first of all, this is the tip of it, and this diffuser is over the LEDs, and is situated here, and there are two sort of notches there that engages in with these two on each corner. First you get this one out, and then you have to take these two out, the reverse and forward, and these two, they are positioned there via these two latches here and there, and if you gently put a plastic spudger on the side, you can pry them out of their places, because I think only these two, the reverse and forward, and this diffuser, keeping everything in place. So when you get that out, you see what you have inside that tube, and the tube has a screw for protecting the tip of here, the charging port, and here we have the LED, and somehow they put some sort of, I think, super glue in some areas because of these white pieces. If you see white shadows here, that is remnants of the super glue drying out, and I didn't open it any further. So when you take these two and the visor, the diffuser out, you can just pull this out of its place, and that's really it. And this is the battery that I told you is the AAA battery, 3.7 volt, 350 milliamp hour. That is true. Everything that they are advertising is true, but the quality is not desirable really. But it has great potential to upgrade this, because the removable battery, and if it runs out of battery, you can buy this and change it, is really good from that point of view. And then if you have another battery like this is AA battery, that is, I think it's 750 milliamp hour. You can upgrade it, but in order to upgrade it, you have to make some sort of modifications. You have to cut it from here, because it has enough space here, and here is the charging board that is really tiny here, and you can upgrade it without any problem. So that is my future plan for this, if I do that. And somehow it is a good idea, but the execution is not really good. I just put the battery in there to show you the light and so on, and then we talk more. So the battery is in place. It's really difficult. It's very tight here, and I just put it in place and I'll show you how it works. This is the reverse and this is the forward, and this is the mechanism. Sorry, I just hit the camera. And this is how the internals works, and it's really quiet, and the light stays on for a while, I think about 20 seconds, and then it goes off. It's really, if they put a little bit more into quality of this, I think it would be perfect, because of the rechargeable battery and so on. But unfortunately they gone the cheap route and they made this. Anyhow, this was a video about this Anykit electric screwdriver. I cannot fully recommend this, and the price, as I mentioned, or if I don't, is £35 upwards. Anyhow, I hope you liked my video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.